Hi my dear students, myself Sreekanth, faculty ECE Engineering Academy. The B.Tech ECE students who are passionate to crack GATE and ESE examination, please watch this video, it is very useful. In this video, I am going to explain how to embed or integrate your GATE and ESE preparation in line with your B.Tech semester-wise academics. So, this video is very useful, please watch it. First of all, I am explaining GATE 2026 ECE syllabus, what are the subjects you have. General aptitude, engineering mathematics, network theory, signals and systems, electronic devices, analog circuits, digital circuits, control systems, communications, electromagnetics, computer organization. See, we know that total GATE exam is for 100 marks, in that general aptitude is for 15 marks, and from the mathematics also minimum you are going to get 13 marks. So, general aptitude and mathematics together 28 marks. So, please be concentrate on these subjects, okay. Give equal importance to these two subjects also. Once you see here, as per the weightage point of view, these two subjects together 28 marks, okay, very good weightage. So, how you are giving importance to your core subjects, please give importance to these subjects also. Especially mathematics subject is very important because the basics of these subjects required for your core subjects also, okay, yes. So, this is GATE ECE syllabus. Now, engineering services as examination, see this ESE examination contains total 3 stages. Stage 1 is for preliminary exam, stage 2 mains exam, stage 3 personal interview. So, in the stage 1, again there are 2 papers, it is a preliminary exam. Paper 1 is general, paper 2 is branch specific. Now, I am going to give the syllabus for stage 1, paper 2. It is a preliminary exam. So, this is the syllabus for ESE, Electronics and Telecommunication branch. In the GATE, we are calling it as ECE, Electronics and Communication. In the ESE, we are calling it as Electronics and Telecommunication, okay? Yes. Once you see what are the subjects we have, basic electronics engineering, basic electrical engineering, material science, electronic measurements and instrumentation, network theory, analog and digital circuits, and analog and digital communication systems, control systems, computer organization and architecture, electromagnetics, advanced electronic topics and advanced communication topics. If you compare GATE and IES syllabus, almost all 60 to 70% same, and remaining 30 to 40% extra topics are there in the ESCET. What are the extra topics? See here, this basic electrical engineering, material science and electronic measurements and instrumentation, and few topics in computer organization and architecture, and few topics in advanced electronics, and few topics in advanced communication systems, okay. These are the extra topics for ESCET as compared to GATE ECE, okay. Yes. So, this is about GATE and ESE syllabus for B.Tech ECE students. Now, let us see semester wise academics, okay. Yes, semester 1. Almost all, most of the universities are having these subjects in the semester 1, okay. Yes. What are the subjects? Matrices and calculus, advanced engineering physics, programming for problem solving, basic electrical engineering. So, these are the subjects in your semester 1. What are the topics you have to focus in these subjects for GATE and ESE? Once you see here, in the matrices and calculus subjects, please focus on matrix algebra, integrals, theorems of integral calculus, maxima and minima, mean value theorems, okay na? Yes. So, these are the topics you have to focus from this subject, from the matrix and calculus subject. Similarly, from the from the advanced engineering physics subject, please concentrate on semiconductor physics, means intrinsic, extrinsic semiconductors, how the semiconductors are formed, semiconductor properties, okay, all, and what are the materials and laser and optics, okay. Please focus on these topics. And the next one, from programming for problem solving, this is not there in GATE and ESE syllabus, but those who are interested for software placements, okay na? Yes, please focus on this subject. So, In this, you have to focus on learn C language and practice coding through online platforms like HackerRank, CodeChef. What are these HackerRank and CodeChef? These are the online platforms where you can practice your coding through challenges. Okay, yes. So this is for only for the placements point of view, software placements point of view. And the next one is basic electrical engineering. In our GATE and ESE, we are calling it as network theory. Okay, yes. So what are the topics you have to focus from this subject is you should master in KVL and KCL, Kirchhoff voltage law and Kirchhoff current law. Very, very important. Okay, master in this KVL and KCL. Okay, yes. And the next one, network theorems, Y delta transformation techniques. So in the semester 1, please focus on these topics, okay, in the subject wise. Now, GATE preparation, how to start your GATE preparation in the semester 1. See, what are the subjects are there? One is mathematics, another is what? Few topics from the network theory subject. In the semester 1, you start with maths. You start with maths and spend at least 1 to 2 hours daily. It may be morning or evening. Based on your free time, you start this one. My suggestion is better you spend 1 to 2 hours in the morning time. Okay, na? Yes. And focus on basics. Okay, na? Yes. So this is about GATE preparation in your semester 1. Similarly, ESE preparation, build conceptual clarity in maths and physics. Okay, yes. So this is GATE preparation and ESE preparation in the semester 1. Now, what are the resources? Okay, yeah. NPTEL lectures. Please watch NPTEL lectures. Okay, yes, these are free of cost. And what are the standard textbooks for subject wise? See, for mathematics, higher engineering mathematics by B.S. Gravel, the C programming language by Brian W. Kernighan and Dennis M. Ritchie, fundamentals of electric circuits by Charles K. Alexander and Matthew N.O. Sadiku. So these are the resources are available. Please use these resources and try to prepare the subjects. Okay, na? Yes. Now, what are the activities you have to do in the semester 1? Join coding clubs, participate in the hackathons. What are hackathons? Hackathons are the events where you can find or develop solutions for specific problems. Okay, yes. So try to participate in hackathons and learn Python basics. Okay, yes. This is also for purely for placement point of view. Okay, na? Yes. So all these are for placement point of view. After GATE and ESE preparation, if you have time, please try to participate in these activities. Okay, yes. Next, semester 2. What are the subjects you have in the semester 2? See here, ordinary differential equations and vector calculus, network analysis and synthesis, Python programming and data structures. Okay, yes. So from this subject, ordinary differential equations and vector calculus, focus on differential equations and vector differentiation and vector integration. These two topics are very much important for your EMT subject. Okay, yes. Electromagnetic theory subject, this is very, very important. These two topics are okay. Yes. Now, from the network analysis and synthesis subject, what are the topics you have to focus is, see here, concept of network topologies, two-port networks and RC, RL and RLC circuit analysis. Okay, yes. Please focus on these topics. Okay, na? Yes. So these are the two topics are there in the GATE. Okay, yes. Now see here, Python programming and data structures. This is also completely for your placement point of view. Okay, yes. So from the Python programming, try to learn Python and practice coding through HackerRank and CodeChef. Similarly, data structures. Okay, yes. Now, for GATE preparation, see in the semester 1, you have started mathematics subject, right? Yes. Now, in the semester 2 for your GATE preparation, you continue the maths subject, continue with the maths and parallelly you start the network theory subject also. Whatever the topics I have covered, KVL, KCL, okay, all those you have to start. Okay, second subject you have to start in the semester 2. And for ESE preparation, focus on conceptual clarity and try to practice the problems. Okay, na? Yes. See, in GATE exam, physical calculators are not allowed. Okay, na? We have to solve the problems through virtual calculator only. So while solving the problems, those who are preparing for GATE exam, please use virtual calculator only. Don't use physical calculators. please use virtual calculators only, okay? Yes. Now, what are the resources? See, once you please go through all these standard textbooks I have given subject wise, okay? Again, I am not reading all this. Please go through this one, okay? Now, yes, this is fundamentals of electric circuits, mathematics and Python programming and C programming and data structures. Please go through all these textbooks, okay? Yes. Now, what are the activities you have to do in the second semester? Yes. Do some projects on Arduino and simple circuits, okay, na? Yes. Now, and also learn Python. So, these are the activities you have to do in the semester 2. Next, semester 3, what are the subjects you have? Probability theory and stochastic process, signals and systems, EDC, electronic devices and circuits, digital logic design and control systems. What are the topics you have to focus in probability theory and stochastic process? See here, in this subject, few topics are there in mathematics syllabus and few topics are there in communication subject also, okay? Yes. See, in this subject, you have to focus on basics of probability and types of distributions, concept of random variable and random process and concept of noise, okay? Yes. Few topics are there in communication subject also, okay? Yes, this noise and random process are going to come in communication subject, okay? Now, yes. Next, what are the topics you have to focus from the signals and system subject, okay? Now, yes, see here, understand the concept of signals and systems and also types of signals and systems and the techniques, Fourier series, Fourier transform, Laplace transform and sampling and jet transform. So, these are the topics you have to focus from signals and system subject. And the another subject is EDC, electronic devices and circuit. What are the topics you have to focus from this subject? See here, concept of PN diode and diode circuits, okay na? Yes, diode circuit means clippers, clampers, such type of circuits, okay na? Yes. And the second one, biasing techniques of BJT and FET and BJT and MOSFET amplifiers and special diodes like GINA diode, PIN diode, okay, tunnel diode, all those are okay na? Yes. So, these are the topics you have to focus for GATE and ESE exam from the EDC subject. And the next one, the topics you have to focus from digital logic design subject, digital electronics, okay? Yes. What are the topics you have to focus is number systems and Boolean algebra, K-maps, combinational and sequential circuits and memories, okay? Yes, please focus these topics from the digital logic design subject. And the last one here, control system subject, what are the topics you have to focus? Basics of control systems, block diagram and signal flow graph, time response analysis, and these are frequency domain analysis techniques, Routh-Harwich criteria, root locus, Bode and polar plots, controllers and state variable analysis. See, if you see the semester 3, from every subject topics are there in the GATE and ESE exam. So, for your GATE and ESE preparation, this semester 3 is very, very important, okay? Yes, please focus on all these subjects, very, very important subjects, semester 3, okay? Yes. Now, in GATE preparation, already you have started maths, you are continuing maths and also network theory also you have started, and in addition to that, you have to start signals and systems, EDC, digital electronics and control systems in the semester 3 for your GATE preparation, okay na? Yes. So, for ESE also you start these subjects and strengthen your core subjects and start solving the numericals, okay na? Yes. Now, what are the resources? Here I have given the list of standard textbooks for each and every subject. Please go through all these standard textbooks, okay na? Yes. Probability book is Peebles, Signals and Systems by Oppenheim and Ilsky, and EDC by Millman and Haykins, and Digital Design by Morris Mano, Control Systems by Nagarath and M. Gopal, okay? Yes. Please go through all these standard textbooks, okay na? Yes. Next, what are the activities you have to do in the semester 3? Yes, try to do internships, okay na? Try to do internships. See, if you do internship in a good company, okay, you may Suppose if the performance is well during the internship, you are going to get a good offer from that company also. Nowadays, the internships are very, very important, okay. You are going to get practical exposure, how the industry is, how to work in the industry, okay, with the internship, okay, na, yes. So, very, very important nowadays, okay, yeah. And do some real-time projects and coding challenges, okay. See, I am explaining these activities, these are nowhere related to your GATE and ESE preparation, but those who are interested for placements, these activities are important, okay, na, yes, to build their resume, okay, na, yes. Now, semester 4, what are the subjects are there in the semester 4? Yes, numerical methods and complex variables, electromagnetic fields and transmission lines, analog and digital communications, electronic circuit analysis, linear and digital IC applications, okay, yes. What are the topics you have to focus from numerical methods and complex analysis is, see here, complex differentiation, complex integration and complex series. All these topics you have to focus, okay, na, yes. Similarly, from electromagnetic fields and transmission lines, what are the topics you have to focus, see here, yeah. Static electromagnetic fields and Maxwell equations, EM waves and transmission lines. So, these are the topics you have to follow from EMT subject. Next, analog and digital communication subject, the topics you have to focus are analog modulation techniques like amplitude modulation, frequency modulation, phase modulation, okay, yes. Those are the topics you have to follow, and super heterodyne receivers and digital modulation techniques along with the pulse modulation techniques and information theory. So, these are the topics you have to focus from communication subject, okay, yes. And the next one is electronic circuit analysis. The topics you have to focus are multi-stage and feedback amplifiers and power amplifiers and oscillators, okay, yes. And the next one, linear and digital IC application, the topics you have to follow are basics of op-amp, operational amplifier, and op-amp circuits and data converters, analog to digital converters and digital to analog converters. These are the topics you have to follow, okay, na, yes. Now, GATE preparation, see here, you have to start EMTL subject and analog and digital communication subject, analog electronic subject, yes, along with that very, very important one, practice problems and PYQs. Just now I told, practice the problems with virtual calculator only, and along with you have to solve the previous year questions. What are PYQs? GATE previous year questions, which are very, very important for your preparation. See, GATE previous books are available subject wise, chapter wise, okay, yes. Please, all of you prepare PYQs, okay, all of you go through the previous year questions, okay, very, very important for your preparation. Now, the very, very important one, test series. Whatever the things I have covered, all those come under 50%, remaining 50% of your preparation is this test series only, okay, yes. See, all of you subscribe for test series and try to write all the test, okay, yes. In the test series also you solve all the problems by using GATE virtual calculator only, okay, yes. It is a very, very important for your GATE preparation, okay, na, yes. Remaining 50% preparation is with your test series only, okay, yes. Because you have learned something, but how to apply that knowledge to the new problems, okay, yes, where you are lagging, okay, how to improve the things, all these things you are going to know from the test series only, okay, yes. How many marks you are getting, where you are lagging, okay, what are the things you have to improve, what are the things you have to revise, okay, yes. So, test series is going to plays a major role for your preparation, okay, yes. Please all of you subscribe for test series and write all the tests, subject wise test and chapter wise test and mock test, all the tests you have to write. Next, ESE preparation, focus on concept application and practice numericals, okay, na, yes. Next, what are the resources are available? See here, these are the standard textbooks I have given subject wise, okay. Please go through all the standard textbooks, okay, na, yes. Next, what are the activities you have to do in the semester 4? Try to participate in the technical competitions and try to do some real-time projects, okay, na, yes. Now, semester 5 and 6 together. I am giving semester 5 and semester 6. What are the subjects? Digital signal processing, VLSI subject, microprocessor and microcontroller subject, embedded systems, antenna and wave propagation. What are the topics you have to focus from digital signal processing subject? Okay, na? Yes, the topics you have to focus: DTFT, discrete time Fourier transform, DFT, FFT and DFS, and digital filters. Okay, please be concentrate and please be focus on these topics from digital signal processing subject. And the next one is VLSI. Okay, VLSI, basics of VLSI technology, VLSI design, and MUX RAM PLA design testing. Okay, yes, these are the topics you have to focus. And the next one, microprocessor and microcontrollers. This is purely for only for ESE exam. The topics 8085 and 8086 microprocessor, 8051 microcontroller and interfacing with 8051. This is for only ESE exam only. Okay, na? Yes. And the next one from the embedded systems, this is also for only ESE only ESE. Introduction to embedded systems, description of embedded system and types of embedded systems. Okay, na? Yes. And the last one is antenna and wave propagation. Here also few topics for only ESE. Okay, yes. Antenna basics, antenna arrays, microwave antennas and wave propagation. Okay, yes. So these are the topics you have to focus in semester 5 and 6. GATE preparation, intensive practice. Okay, you have to increase your practice. Okay, na? Yes. So try to spend as much time as possible in a day. Okay, na? Yes. And the revision, start doing the revision. Okay, na? Yes. And test series, just now I told you, continue the test series. Okay, na? Yes. Yes. ESE preparation, focus on optional subjects, see, and practice mains level questions. Okay, na? Yes. Now, see, in semester 5 and 6, you are going to get some specialization subjects, VLSI, embedded systems and signal processing and communications. Those who are interested to go in that path, try to concentrate on this subject. Okay, yes. So some of them are interested to go to as a VLSI engineer, embedded system engineer and signal processing and communication engineer. Okay, those who are interested in the respective fields, please be concentrate on these subjects. Okay, na? Yes. These are the specializations in semester 5 and 6. Now, what are the resources? See, these are the standard textbooks. Okay, so for the semester 5 and 6 subjects. Okay, na? Yeah. Next, what are the activities you have to do in semester 5 and 6? See here, yeah. Do some projects on FPGA and DSP processors and do some industry oriented projects. Okay, na? Yes. Next, semester 7 and semester 8 together. Yes. Microwave and optical communications and remaining are the elective subjects. Okay, yes. So this is completely based on your choice. What are the subjects you are electing? Okay, na? Yes. And mini and major projects, and try to concentrate on the placements and GATE and ESE preparation. The students who are interested on GATE and ESE preparation, completely focus on this one. The students who are focusing on placements, focus on the placements only. Okay, yes. And from the microwave and optical communications, what are the topics you have to focus? Microwave tubes, waveguide components and microwave measurements and optical fiber transmission. Okay, na? Yes. Now, GATE preparation, see here, you are continuing the test series and you are coming to the end. Try to attempt all the mock test, very important. Mock test means what? Complete all the how the GATE exam is, what are the subjects, all the subjects together. Okay, na? Yes, that is mock test. Okay, yes. Try to write all the mock test and evaluate your performance. Okay, na? Yes, how many marks you are getting, where you are lagging, try to improve. This is very important. Okay, evaluation is very important. Okay, na? Yes. Next, do revision. Okay, regularly do the revision. Next, solve the previous year questions. Okay, na? Yes. And for ESE, mains practice, optional subjects and interview preparation. Okay, na? Yes. Now, what are the activities? Mini and major projects and interview preparation and placements. Okay, na? Yes. Those who are interested in the placements, try to concentrate on the placements. Okay, na? Yes. And interview preparation and This is regular activity, mini and major projects, okay na? Yes. Now, what are the resources? Okay, this is microwave textbook and NPTEL lectures and study materials, okay? Yes. Now, GATE and ESE, what is the preparation strategy? See, from the semester 1 onwards, few subjects in semester 1, semester 2, like that. Suppose you have started one subject, okay? Yes, how to start that subject? What is the preparation strategy? What is the preparation strategy for both GATE and ESE? While you are reading the subject, try to maintain two different notebooks. One is detailed notes and another one is the short notes. In the detailed notes, you write the complete everything, and in the short notes, you write only the logics and shortcuts and formulas only. Don't write everything in the short notes. You write only the important points, formulas and logics in the short notes. In the detailed notes, you write everything. But in the short notes, you write only the important points, formulas and shortcuts. That is the first thing you have to do. And the second thing is solve previous year questions. Solve previous year questions related to that subject, related to that topic. Okay na? Yes. And the third one, very important, is practice test, nothing but test series, very important. Okay na? Yes. So this is the preparation strategy for GATE and ESE. Prepare the notes, solve the previous year questions and attempt the test series. Okay na? Yes, very important. Okay, yes. What are the resources? See here, standard textbooks for your preparation, to prepare your notes, okay na, to get the concept, and online courses are also available, and coaching institutes if any. Okay na? Yes. So these are the resources for your GATE and ESE preparation. And mock test, I told na, very important. So after writing the mock test, you have to regularly write all the mock test and analyze your performance, okay, where you are lagging, how to improve that, okay, yes, all those things, okay. Mock tests are very important. And the next and last slide is previous year question from signals and system subject. I have chosen previous year question from semester exam, GATE exam and ESE exam from the same topic, that is Nyquist rate. From the semester exam, see the question. Find the Nyquist rate of x of t is equals to 10 cos 300 pi t is how much? It is a semester exam question. And the Nyquist sampling frequency for x of t is equals to 10 sin square 200 pi t is how much? This is GATE 2024 exam. And from the ESE, the Nyquist rate for the signal, this is the signal. What is the Nyquist rate? These are the options are given. It is a ESE 2020 exam. See here, from the same topics, semester exam question, GATE exam question and ESE examination question. Okay na? Yes. Finally, the things which are very important for your GATE and ESE exam preparation is the first one. Try to maintain detailed notes and short notes. In the short notes, you write only the important points, logics and shortcuts. And the second thing is, try to practice more number of models of problems by using virtual calculator only. And the third one is, try to solve all the previous year questions. And the last very important thing is test series. Okay, try to write all the test in the test series and analyze your performance. Okay na? Yes. So by using all these things, be perfect your preparation. Okay na? Yes. So all the best for your GATE ESE exam. Okay, thank you for watching the video. Thank you.